see what's going on out here. All right. Looks like we got a little bit of snow here. It's the blizzard of 2017. Okay, as you can see, it's up to my knee with snow drifts. And nothing over here. My car's on the front lawn. I'm blinded here. The wind's still heavy. I got a sick snow drift right here. Make sure this thing's see. Alright, looks like we're good. Start off with second gear. Right now I'm just going to throw it as far as I can. Woo! Ah! Here. Yeah, no worries. Not a problem. At least it stopped snowing. It's right here. You want it? Yeah, I was gonna give it to you when I got to here. One? No problem. Here you go.
Thank you so much. It's okay.
Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Got it?
I'm worried about you.
Yeah, the camera.
I'm worried about you doing that.
No, I'm still young.
I know you are. Thank you.
No problem. That's 16. It's less out over here. About 10 there. So I would say anywhere between 10 and is 12, like 10 to 18 inches. I know it's a very wide gap. This is my neighbor, how you doing? But it is what it is.